SciA. Poz. In on the goalkeeper. Shots on here.
Oh.
There it is.
Oh.
Dang it.
No, don't do it to him.
No,
You don't
but
feel
it
like
still hurts.
you don't feel like you're gonna throw up when you get hit in the boobs. You get kicked in the nuts. You feel like you're gonna puke up your small intestine.
You could literally, you could stop a guy from.
Yeah, you could end his whole everything.
Attacking you.
Anything.
Yeah, but like there was this thing in middle school when I was in middle school where guys would walk up and punch girls in the boobs as hard as they could, like for fun, and then start laughing.
That's sexual harassment.
I know.
Clear-cut case of.
It's called assault.
That's assault with attempted
really
sexual
bad.
harassment. That's not even. Who would do that?
Hashtag me too.
Knocked one. Knocked.
Fuck him.
All dead, all dead, all dead, all
Good
dead.
shit, boys. Never know. Let's get lucky. The crane kick?
Keeper stops that.
Come back.
I should have brought that down.
No, fuck that. Take that kick. The Miyagi?
the
If that goes
Mr.
in, it's
Miyagi.
over. That goes over. That goes in. We don't have to clip out anymore for FIFA. We're good.
One. There should be 3 at least. Minimum.
I got you, kid.
Going out.
Just in time.
Got his buddy. Where's the last one? Got him.
In the trees.
He's hurting. Oh my god. Get in.
SciA. Really getting at the opposition this far up the pitch now. He's got his shot off now.
There it is.
Listen, we got one back. Let's go.
Totally redeemed you.
And you totally redeemed yourself.
Stay up.
Well, they've done the necessary so far, Martin, but these last few minutes might be the hardest of all.
It's a good cross. It was a real opportunity, but there might be a key moment in there from a defensive point of view.
I'm just saying, Zach. Passes are there, kid.
I can only do so much.
Put in from the wide area. Good
I can only do
defensive
so
clearance
much.
there.
What do you think? You're supporting the club or
I
something?
like the look of this attack.
Let's talk about passing.
I mean, what
Passing.
about these shots, though? Let's talk about these shots.
Yeah,
How you
none of us
stopping
can even get remotely close. Not one of us. Not one of us.
So,
That
have
shot
we
was
reached-
not
so
even
has the
close.
club reached a breaking point where we can no longer beat the teams in the league we're in?
How far the shot
Look
over
at
there?
it again.
We just get a new game now, or what's
Side
up?
of the bar and in.
Dick, that's a great shot.
Please.
You really can't hate on that shot.
Same guy that hit
I don't
every
think we
shot.
expected this. Such a
I
one-sided
guess we're in the big
affair.
leagues now, boys.
Look at the
What is
scoreline.
he got? One guy.
It's a good cross.
He got the back heel pass? What are you trying to do?
The Scorpion.
FC with the ball. Stone.
What do you think? You're playing like an angel? Well, I'm missing
Read
something.
the intentions of the opposition there to make
A lot
the
of follies this
interception.
match. And they'll come from my corner.
Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress.
Look at Hot Sauce. Look at Hot Sauce over
Trying to
here.
get it away.
It's 1-1, 72nd minute. And you're doing ballerina moves by the
Maybe the
baseline.
counter-attack is on
And
here.
you wonder why we lose.
Oh, in too much of a hurry. Lost
But yeah, I need to
control.
brush up on my skills, right?
Able to
And then you
make
call for it
You
over.
gotta be kidding me. I didn't call for it.
Yeah, bye.